Well, YouTube, this is it. This is the one we've all been waiting for. It's finally arrived. I'm so excited. Now, by the title, I'm sure you all know what this is. I've just been camped out by the kitchen waiting for it to arrive because I had an email saying it was coming today. Before I open it, just want to say, Nick Rubbertoe and all the team, thank you so much. You've been brilliant. You've been so quick with all the replies. I really appreciate all of this. Let's break into it. I really hope it's not some shoes now. So yeah, just with the whole process of this, constantly emailing Nick Rubbertoe, trying not to be a pain and pester him, but sometimes the excitement will just get the better of me. And the replies were so quick. Really appreciate that, Nick. Oh man. Because of the terrible weather we've been having over here, the postman was surprised it made it. Okay, this is it. Oh man. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Oh. Okay, here we have top of the, oh, okay. The little stands there for the Sonic. Those there. That was awkward. Put those there. Oh God, let's have it. Oh wow. This is just the box, but it feels super heavy. Just try and keep the place clean. Don't need that no more. Anymore. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That. Everyone's favourite logo. Beautiful, that's what comes inside the box. Certificate of authenticity. Oh, I'm shaking. Whoo! I'm going to leave that there just for us. Oh, see the bottom. There it is. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's fantastic. Number 80 signed by Nick. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Sorry if no, before I do that, just show you it in there. I will do, when I do a comparison video of my CT, I will show this, but oh my gosh. Oh wow, he's put batteries in. Thank you, Nick. Oh wow. Oh, the leather. Magnet is a teeny bit loose. If you can see here, look. When I open it, the magnet comes out a bit, but that's nothing that a bit of super glue can't handle. Haven't really got a big swirl there, but that really doesn't matter. I love that. Oh wow. The swirl in the emitter is amazing. Come on. Oh. That is absolutely fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful. I've got some amazing swirls in there. Nick Rubbertoe, thank you so much. That is fantastic. These are a bit looser than the CT, because I'm used to the CT being quite strong. But they feel really nice. Let's give it a flick. Please don't break like the first one. I don't want to do it, just in case it breaks. I can be a bit stronger. The fail flicks. Oh my, that is stronger than I expect it to be. That is really cool. That is really cool. Oh my gosh. Nick Rubbertoe and the whole team who had anything to do with this, just everyone who works at Rubbertoe, thank you so much. I'm still too scared to flick it. Okay, here we go, this is it. Ish. Just wow. Is all I can say, just wow. Just fantastic. Apologies, someone's at the door. Oh. So sorry YouTube about that. As usual, whenever I want to do something cool like an unboxing, I get people at the door asking me to move my car. So there'll be a part 2 where I will show you the stand that it goes on. I'm just so happy with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Nick Rubbertoe. Genuinely, that is fantastic. That is amazing. So stay tuned, YouTube. There's going to be a couple of videos on this. I'm just so sorry about this, bloody builders. Thank you.